Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create folder in laptop. Chapter 1. How to create folder in laptop from menu. For this method, right-click somewhere. From the New option, choose a folder. You can assign a name to the folder. Chapter 2. How to create folder in laptop with keyboard. To use our keyboard, combine the Ctrl plus Shift plus N keys. This will create the folder and you only have to assign the name. Chapter 3. How to create folder in laptop from File Explorer. We are going to open the File Explorer. There, click on New and select a folder. You can put the name you want. Chapter 4. How to create folder in laptop from terminal. Open the File Explorer. When you do so, press the Shift key and right-click. Select Open in Terminal. Now in the console, run the command MD and the name of the folder. Press Enter. You can see the folder created correctly. Chapter 5. How to create folder in laptop from CMD. We are going to open the CMD console from the search box. There, enter the path where the folder will be, then, with the Mkdir command, create your folder. Confirm that it has been created as you wished. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.